Hey guys, and happy early Mother's Day! It's Create Love Laugh here, and today we are going to be making a mom coaster. And I have not written a script, so here we go. The materials you'll need are glow-in-the-dark powder, glitter, alcohol ink. I'm using my mom's favorite colors. Popsicle sticks. You'll need a paintbrush and some gold paint, or whatever color you want. And you'll also need some clear plastic packaging, resin coaster molds, and of course, resin. First things first is to lay down a thin layer of resin. This is just to make a clear coat for the mom that we're going to write on later. And I am doing 3 coasters at a time, but I'm only showing the mom one. So next, you'll take some plastic packaging. What we're gonna do is we're going to write mom in your prettiest handwriting ever. And for some reason, I was convinced that this pen would work since it's a gel pen. Third time's the charm for me to realize that it would not work. So we have a heavy-duty black marker, and I'm just writing in cursive the word mom. You can kind of see it. It'd be nice if I took a white paper. Oh yeah, that's much better. Yeah. Okay, so then I'm just gonna paint over it with the gold paint to really bring out the word and make it pop with all the gold. And the plastic has a lot of fingerprints and stuff on it, but don't worry, it's completely covered up with the resin. And then I decided that it wasn't really pizzazzy enough, so I dropped some gold paint here and there on the plastic film. And this stupid little space, I don't know why I didn't fill that in with another gold dot, but for some reason I just left that space in, so it's gonna haunt me forever now. Okay. So after your paint dries, your resin should still be pretty liquidy. And now that I have some hindsight, what I recommend doing first is not what I did. Paint on some resin. This will just help get rid of any bubbles that you might have when you flip the mom plastic thing over and try to embed it in the resin. Because as you can see here, I am suffering quite a bit. Okay, so then you wait for a little bit, and once your layer with the mom is tacky but not completely hardened, then you put in some more clear resin. And what I did was I actually waited a little bit, and you put in the alcohol ink. It'll actually sink a lot slower when it's tacky than when the resin was just laid down. Okay, and then once that is cured, as you can see, I'm just tapping it to make sure that it's completely dry and it's not trying to trick me. Then you can pop it out, and voila! I hope you like this video. If you do, please leave a comment and like, press that share button, subscribe, help share the love from others everywhere. And with that, I will see you guys next time. Bye!